Let's hope I didn't break anything. We're good. What's up, guys? I am back. If you do not know who I am, my name is Zoe, and you should really make sure to check out my channel, subscribe down below, and follow me on social media. So today I'm going to be doing a video that's a bit different, kind of like a makeup related video. So I recently got this palette, the KKW and Mario palette, and I am not a makeup guru or a beauty person in any way. I don't even wear makeup that often, but I thought I would just review it from the perspective of someone who kind of doesn't know what they're doing, and it could be helpful if you are interested in getting it. And so yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let's get to it. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in a bit so you could see what I'm doing. But just a little overview. This is how the palette comes, just in this little box, and then slides up like that. You open it, there's my camera, and you see all these shades. I like how they look. There's like a shimmery one right here, I don't know. You guys can see. And I took a clip on my iPhone of just how the package came, like in the box. This is my iPhone. I'm also sick. Basically what comes in the box, it says KKW Beauty, and it's a cute tissue paper. Shipping, I'm gonna blur this out so y'all can't find my address. And then this eyeshadow palette, this is the only thing I got, because the rest was sold out when I went on. And it looks like this. I'm just gonna dump it out. I really like this aesthetic. If you guys know what my Instagram feed looks like, you will understand. And it's just really pretty in person. This is what the colors look like in the light. But because I'm not good at makeup, I'm going to be following a tutorial when the palette came out. So I'm gonna just be looking at what they did. I'm taking whatever this brush is. Lovely little thing. And he was using this like creamy one right here. Decade or something, I don't know. We'll pray. And just putting that, oh, I have so much makeup on this brush, on the inner corner of her eye. Oops. Because I'm a lefty, whenever I do makeup, it always looks worse on this side. So that's all that I've done so far. Talent. I'm just gonna put it up there, I guess. I'm not using like an eye primer or an eye base, any of that, because I'm going to take this off right after I film this, but it's okay. Now he's taking this little goldeny one right there and putting it right above, right here where we just put that other one. I'm trying to turn towards the light so you can see what I'm doing. Oops. Oh, I like this color. And then also put it on the inner corner. So I'm gonna use a different brush because I'm just smart like that. And then this one is Miami, I think. Oop. Whoa. Like a lot comes off on the brush. Oh shoot, that already looks bad. Whatever. He's just putting this in our crease. It's a really pretty color. I just suck at makeup. So it will be nothing short of a miracle if I do this and it doesn't look like crap. You're going to use the red, this one over here, and use it to pat it on the outer corners. Oh no, this is so dark. So we're gonna pray. The color is so pretty. My makeup skills are not.
bronzy. I don't know how many times we said bronzy in the past 10 because of the redness in it. It looks really good on our skin tones.
Not me. I think I need a bit more, whatever this shape was. On the inside. This shade called bronzy. He just said to put it on the center. I don't remember if it was like a patting method or just like swiping it, but we're just gonna go with it. So he's kind of just taking this one right here, and he's taking it and putting a bit like in the crease up here, from what I can tell. Okay, glam is this one right here, this one, and he said put it on the center. This shade looks really brown, like in the palette. Then when you put it on, it gets really goldeny, which I like a lot. Sorry if I'm facing away from the camera. It's just that my window is over here, and I don't want to film from my window because my room is messy over there. Okay, now I'm taking this a really light one. This one right here. And he said put it just on the center. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I don't see much of like a color difference. But again, I'm bad at makeup. So it's probably me. Taking that same shade and putting it. So we're taking this one. So I'm kind of nervous, but it's okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing this right. Vegas is this, oh, that's what I'm scared of. Vegas is this purpley one that I'm really scared to use because your girl is probably gonna screw this up. We're gonna stop there because I ain't trying to make it worse. He's doing like waterline. He's putting glam. You're not here. My face is gonna go away for a second. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. I didn't get the lip products, but this blue is intense. Whoa, look at that. It's really pretty. I'm not gonna put it in my eyes because I don't want to look like even crazier than I already do. I'm going to put on my mascara. I actually think I did not do an awful job, and I really like the palette, but I'm just gonna say one thing. When you watch the tutorial that, let me take my hair down, that Mario did with Kim, on her skin tone it looks really brown and like bronzy. I use the same colors, all the right colors and everything, but for me, it looks kind of more of like a reddish gold. So that's just a little thing if you guys want to get the palette. Yeah, so just like a quick overview. I really like the colors. They're super pretty. They like applied and blended really nicely. They're also really pigmented, which is nice. The only thing I noticed was like, because they were really pigmented, and sometimes if you put them on, there would just be like a little like fluff of like shadow coming out. I don't know what that's called. And yeah, if you like that video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you would want to see next. And yeah, that's about it. Comment if you liked my low-key ratchet eye look. I am not a makeup guru. I am so bad you don't understand. But yeah, I love you guys. XOXO. Bye.